everybody, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my channel, the HowStation. So guys, today's video is a hairstyle video. Now we all know that a regular ponytail is very easy to do and is a perfect hairstyle for any casual outings. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can pep up your ponytail a little bit. Now this is a little time consuming than the regular ponytail, but it is totally worth it. I'd recently done this hairstyle and I absolutely loved how it turned out, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Now as you can see at the back, I've done this regular ponytail, and in the front over here I've done little French braids which are not very much visible because of my hair color. But when you look at me while wearing a regular ponytail and when you look at me wearing this ponytail, it makes a huge difference. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. I'm going to begin with combing my hair to take out any knots or tangles from them. Once my hair is tangle free, I am going to make a partition in my hair. So I'm going to do my normal partition, which is my side partition, something like this, and I'm going to make the partition right till my crown. Once that is done, I am going to make another partition somewhere from near my temple. As I've got this section now, I'm going to use this section for braiding. So I'll take the remaining of the hair on the other side so that they don't come in between, and I'm going to tie them up with a rubber band. So just comb this section again and I'll pull it to the back, something like this, and then I'm going to start French braiding this section. So I'm going to take a small section from the front and I'm going to divide it into 3 smaller sections, and then I am going to start braiding it. And as I braid it, I'm going to add little strands to make a French braid. Once I'm done braiding a little further than my crown area, I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin for the time being. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to make a partition to create a section of hair, and then I'm going to take the remaining hair on the other side, secure them with a rubber band, and I'm going to start braiding or French braiding this section that I have over here. Once I'm done braiding this section, I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin for the time being. I'm going to take out this rubber band, and now I don't like my hair pulled back completely. So I'm going to pull out a little strand over here in the front so that it gives a nice framing to my face, something like this. And once I'm happy with the framing, I'm going to pull all my hair back into a ponytail and secure them with a rubber band. And there you have it. That is how you pep up your regular ponytail into something fancy. So guys, this is how you can pep up your regular ponytail, and trust me when I say this, even if the braids aren't visible, it is going to make a huge difference on how your face looks. So do try this out, and if you all try it out, do send me pictures of this hairstyle because I'd love to see them. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day, take care of yourselves, and goodbye.